Last time I gave you an update, the engine was in version 0.12. 5 months later and 12 versions later, this is a completely different engine. It went from something decent to something that can stream large scenes. So the question is, how do you even get there? How do you go from loading local assets to streaming large scenes? Because here's the thing. This is not just about loading assets over the network. That's actually the easy part. The real problem is memory. On devices like the Vision Pro, you can't just load large assets into memory. If you try doing that, it will crash, period. So the solution isn't just load everything. It's never load everything. You stream only what you need when you need it. But to make that work, I had to build everything around it. Before streaming was even possible, I had to implement static batching, LOD system, geometry streaming, texture bitmap streaming. And then came the big shit, tile-based streaming. Instead of thinking of a scene as a big file, I had to break them into chunks. Load a tile, unload a tile constantly. And even that wasn't enough because the format I was using, USDC, or USD, just wasn't built for this. So I made a decision. I removed it from the runtime entirely and replaced it with a native asset format, something designed specifically for streaming, the Untold format. No model IO overhead, no unnecessary parsing, just data ready for the GPU to handle. So yeah, 5 months later, the engine isn't just updated, it was rebuilt. And now it can handle something that it couldn't before. Stream entire scenes in real time. Next, I want to push this even further. Bigger scenes, better performance, fewer limits. So if you want to check out the Untold Engine, go to untoldengine.com and click on the GitHub button, and that will take you to the GitHub, to the engine repo, which you can test out and check it out for yourself. As a matter of fact, when you run the engine, there's a demo that will allow you to see the streaming features of the engine in real time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.